Are you looking for Xiaomi schematics or the Xiaomi Mi schematics? So today I'll be bringing you a collection of these amazing collections of these graphics photos which can help you in the hardware part of Xiaomi phones. So these are some of the models which have been outlined here, and all with their models. Call them schematic, call them systematic images or photos or diagrams which can help you in the hardware repair of this particular kind of model of phone. This one goes inclusive with the Redmi or Redmi. These have many models, as you can see them listed here. The list is quite long, whereby you have the Note 4G, we have the M3, 2A, 4S, and the other long models. So all these ones are diagrams which can help you as in doing the hardware part depending on which issue the particular phone has, depending which one you've selected. So this one can help you in many things, whereby you can try to find the short circuit on your board, on the PCB. You can do a lot of things. So I'll be showing you how to download this, and I'll also provide the links in the description so that you can go ahead and download it and be able to use them. So let's jump straight into the video, guys.
Welcome to Xiaomi channel. For all software updates, both PC and mobile phones, either smart or feature ones, kindly subscribe and tap on the notification bell as never to miss any updates. Thank you.
So guys, what you'll do, you'll go ahead to extract. You'll extract this tool. It is a password free. After extracting it, this is what comes within the folder. So these are the files which you'll find, and you can go ahead to select the choice depending on which model, which one you want the diagram. Then you can go ahead to choose. For example, this Note 7, you can go ahead to open. This one is the board view and the placement drawing of the diagram. So this one is a PDF format, whereby you can also go ahead like to enlarge. You can enlarge so that you can see some components clearly. So when you open, it gives you all the details. Maybe you can also maximize, minimize, and check these details. Then it can help you to understand what you'll be working on the particular phone. So there are a number of diagrams, because there are plenty many, as you can see them, all these models with specific. I'm just sampling for you. So you can go ahead to check them out, and they'll be showing you all the components one by one depending on each particular model of phone, as you can see them. These ones, they give you clear details of what you're going to work upon your mobile, and all are clear enough, and they can help you understand whatever part you're going to tackle on that phone. So as you can see here in the diagram, it is very clear. It's very clear for you. Then if you don't understand these ones, you can refer to the diagram and the more details about them. So these are some of the models which I've managed to get for you guys. So I know this collection will be of great beneficial for you. You can go through it. Maybe one day you can come across a certain Xiaomi phone which needs this schematic or diagrams. Then you can go ahead to use them. They can be of great help to you. You can go ahead to use them, and they'll be of beneficial use, and you can benefit a lot, and they make your work very easy. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll just let you for now. We meet in the next video. Bye.